Are you looking for a simple and cheap way to speed up the finishing process on your projects? One of the most irritating or time-consuming parts of finishing is waiting for it to dry before you can flip it over and finish the other side. I'll show you a cool free way to solve this problem in just a second. But you can buy these little painter's tripods for about $6. And these guys are super handy. All you have to do is lay them out like I'm doing here, then you can flip over your project and stain or paint the other side while you're waiting on that top to dry. I was a little concerned that you might be able to tell where your table was resting on top of these, but I didn't notice anything. Maybe I should ask my wife, she's just a little bit more observant than I am. Now I have achieved the same thing by using brad nails and a piece of plywood before. This is a free way of accomplishing the same thing. And I haven't noticed any marks on the projects I've done with this either. That being said, there is one little advantage of these tripods over my home design though. These little guys store really nicely because you can stack them. They're probably also easier to lose, but that's another story. Oh, and don't mind that sock there, I promise it's clean. I bought these at Lowe's for about $6, but I also know that Amazon sells them. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check those out. Comment below if you have a time-saving tip for your projects. I'd love to hear it.